Hello, it's Wendy, and this is Wendy Tries. It's a series where instead of making up my own instructions, I follow the DIY instructions from somewhere else, and you get to judge the success level. Today, I am going to follow a Sorry Girls tutorial from the Sorry Girls. This is because I recently did a video with Becky on their channel, and so I wanted to send them some love, but also because they do amazing home decor, and that is my exact mood right now. Need some home decor. Hoping for the best. They typically incorporate some woodworking, of which I think I only have an electric drill. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, these are so nice.
We love wall sconces. They're super trendy right now, but try and find a beautiful one that's less than like $200 for one. We figured out 4 easy solutions. 4. And we're gonna run these easiest to hardest, but even the hardest one is not that hard.
This already means that if I choose the first one, you will all be disappointed in me.
Wall sconce is
going it's to be Kelsey.
Wire wall sconce. That's going to be the base of it, and actually this one's super affordable, as all the ideas are. Base cost.
This one matches the style of my condo a lot.
The materials for this one is pretty much like $8.50 US. Not
She's holding a raw piece of wood.
Yeah, for like $8-ish.
I need some light bulbs. Okay, we need a IKEA. I think they're called Hemmas. Okay. So I got the Hemma. I was right. Hemma. Instead of the light bulbs they used, I got a slightly smaller one. And the reason for that is because this really caught my eye. It's like smoked glass. This matches our condo really well. I'm ready.
50. So I got a meter of this just because it was the minimum, but
wire.
You don't really need that much. You just want a wire that's going to be sturdy.
Wire, wood. I think I also will need a handsaw. Oh, and sandpaper. Off to the hardware store. Okay, so let's talk about this. Handsaw, a sanding sponge, my first one ever. Thanks, Sorry Girls. The wood. And, oh, the wire. I was reading through the comments and someone said instead of using the wire, they recommended to use a clothes hanger. I got one of those. And because this is white, I thought I would get white paint so everything can match in the end. Off we go. Okay, so screw off that top piece. Okay, wrapping the wire. I feel like I used to disassemble these all the time. Has anyone made like Christmas wreaths and stuff? You know? I think I need stronger wire cutters than this. Let's see what Dan has. Okay, what do we have here? Daniel had these guys, which look pretty heavy duty. Let's give them a shot. Oh gosh, I'm scared. Ah! Ah! Excellent. This stuff is not easy, and we try so hard to make it look easy so that you'll believe in yourself. But seriously, it's not a joke. Oh, come on. Yes! It's on.
Add back on your screwy piece and sandwich the wire in between. And then we're going to take our light bulb of choice. We're just doing this step just to figure out how big the light bulb is.
Oh, this is the part where I add the glass then. Oh no, it doesn't have enough to... Come on, you can do it. Oh gosh, I'm so upset. What if I migrate this down Alright. What's done is done. Made it happen. Ooh. Sorry, OCD, and just got carried away with removing the sticker. Okay, that was my pro tip for removing sticker residue. You just take the rest of the sticker and you attack it. Alright, let's get with the wood piece.
So
Okay.
this piece of wood is on my wall. Maybe I want it that far away. I'm sure it's pretty even to the other side. And then from that spot where I'm going to bend it on a sharp 90-degree angle, I'm going to leave maybe a 2
Oh,
inches
okay,
of
okay.
wood.
Okay. We're cutting the wire. Alright, and then she bends them in 90 degrees. Somehow bending the metal just instantly makes it look like store-bought. Like, up until this moment, it was definitely a crack, but now it's like everything's right again. It's time to saw. This is the piece that I cut. This edge, that's a little rough. I'm planning on just mounting it on the far side of the wall, and then no one will ever see it. Holes vertically, and one on each side.
I'm going to fill the holes with construction adhesive and then pop in my wire.
Alright, let's use my super trusty, every time I sew stuff, glue. I want this side here and this side facing forward. So we're gonna... Yeah! Oh gosh. Ah! Sorry. Alright, I will let it dry. I will put on the paint as she says. Next time you see this, hopefully, it will be on the wall and successfully lit. Let me know what you think. Was this a DIY hit or miss? Was there a part that you really related to? And let me know what or who you want to see me try next. Becky and I did do a DIY on their channel. It was a DIY for no money, not because we're broke, but because actually we have way too much leftover crafting stuff. And so the challenge was to use what we had and see what we could make. Please do go watch and give them some love. They are two Canadian girls. They're so talented and they inspire so much of what I do here on this channel. And if you came from the Story Girls, hello! We do a lot of sewing projects here and try to keep everything happy, beginner friendly, I believe in you, that kind of stuff. If you've subscribed, then I will see you next time. Bye-bye!